Hello student, today we start exercise 10b, chapter 10, profit and loss. Sum number 1, the market price of a water cooler is rupees 4650 and the shopkeeper offers an off-season discount of 18% on it. Find its selling price. Market price of a water cooler, discount percent 18%, selling price of water cooler, apply formula, mark price into 100 minus discount percent by 100. Minus 100 minus 18, 82 by 100, cancel 0 from 0, by 2, by 5, we have 93 multiply 41, after multiplication answer is 3830. Selling price of cooler after discount of 18% is rupees 3830. Now the next question. Sum number 3. Find the rate of discount being given on a shirt whose selling price is rupees 1092 after deducting a discount of rupees 208 on its marked price. To find rate of discount, selling price is rupees discount marked price of shirt. Formula is SP plus discount. SP discount, add it, rupees 1300. Next, sum number 5. A tea set was bought for rupees 528 after getting a discount of 12% on its marked price. Find the marked price of tea set. selling price of tea set rupees 528. Discount percent 12%. Let marked price rupees Y. Apply formula. Selling price into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. Putting solving, cancel. We have 6 multiply 100 makes 600. Marked price of tea set is rupees 600. Question number 7. A cell phone was marked at 40% above the cost price and a discount of 30% was given on its marked price. Find the gain or loss percent made by the shopkeeper. Let cost price of cell phone is rupees X. Marked above 40%, then marked price, that is X plus 40% of X makes percent by 100 of multiply into X. We have 7 by 5x. Discount 30%. SP of cell phone apply formula, mark price into 100 minus discount percent by 100. Mark price 100 minus 30 by 100 makes cancel. We have 49 by 50x selling price of cell phone. We have to find gain or loss. Here selling price is less than cost price, so we have loss by how much rupees? X minus 49 by 50x. By LCM we have X by 50. Now loss percent, loss in rupees by cost price into 100%. Loss by CP, that is X into 100%. Solving. Cancel x from x. 0 from 0. 5 to the 10. 2%. Then loss on cell phone by selling cell phone by the shopkeeper is 2%. Now the next question. Sum number 9. A dealer bought a refrigerator for rupees 11,515 after allowing a discount of 16% on its marked price. He gained 20%. Find the marked price of refrigerator. Cost price of refrigerator is rupees 11,515. Gain 20%. Then SP, selling price. Apply formula. Cost price into 100 plus gain percent by 100. Putting solving. Cancel 0 from 0. 2 6 are, 2 5 are, 5 1 are, 5 2 are, 5 3 are, 0 3. We have selling price of refrigerator is rupees 13,818. We have to find its marked price. Discount percent 16. Selling price discount percent 16%. Marked price apply formula. Selling price into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. Solving. Cancel. Three 7 ja, 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja 21, 2 0 20, 7 2 ja, 7 9 ja. We have 329 multiply 50 after multiplication rupees 16,450. That is the mark price of the refrigerator. Sum number 11. After allowing a discount of 10% on the marked price, a trader still makes a gain of 17%. By what percent is the marked price above the cost price? Let cost price of goods is rupees 100. Gain 17%. Selling price of goods. Apply formula. cost price into 100 plus gain percent by 100 after solving we have rupees 170. Discount 10%, then mark price of goods, apply formula, SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent, putting we have rupees 130. Difference between mark price and cost price. That is of rupees 30. Then above percentage is difference by original into 100%. That is your answer. 30% is the mark price above the cost price. Now the next question. Sum number 13. The mark price of a TV is rupees 18,500. A dealer allows two successive discount of 20% and 5%. For how much is the TV available? Mark price of TV is rupees successive discounts 20% and 5%. Selling price of TV. Mark price into 100 minus first discount by 100 into 100 minus second discount by 100, putting solving cancel 2 0 from 2 zeros, 1 0 from 1 0, 2 4 ja, 2 5 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 19 ja. After multiplication we have rupees 14,060. Thank you.